12:24 here on this Thursday afternoon across the valley. If you've been outside, it looks like it should be raining, but the clouds not able to build up as much today, so probably won't see too many showers, maybe a couple showers around this afternoon. Warm and humid weather, though, continues across the valley. It does look rather, we'll call it not cool for the start of fall coming. A few afternoon showers in spots today, maybe 1 or 2 tomorrow, although rain chances tomorrow do look even lower than today. But the wet weather could really come back for the weekend. I think Saturday and Sunday may be the 2 wettest days out of about the next 7, but rain chances may start to increase again late next week as a weak cold front gets close. I don't think you should get too excited yet. It's not ready to blow through here, but it may be close enough to spark rain chances late next week again. Right now, the First 105 Doppler Network's dry across the valley. Like I said, though, it's kind of cloudy looking everywhere, so it looks like it should rain. There may have been a few sprinkles last night, but nothing big on the radar popping up. This morning, a couple little showers offshore. May wait for a nice sunrise. If you check out our KRGV Weather Facebook page, there's a picture or 2 on there from the sunrise this morning. Looked really nice. And out in the Gulf of Mexico, still not a lot going on. Gulf of Mexico quiet. That little shower activity left over from what was once Isaac, it's kind of just fizzling out, but the overall area moisture is still there, and it's moving our way a little closer to the weekend. So 20% chance for a shower or a weak thunderstorm today, only 10% tomorrow. I think Friday the atmosphere is a little more stable, so there won't be much in the way to get things built up with the sea breeze, so maybe a quick little sprinkle or shower possible. Saturday, though, rain chances could really come back in the afternoon through the evening and into part of the night, so 70% chance for rain Saturday, and even Sunday could be fairly wet too. 90 degrees right now in Weslaco, 92 in Brownsville and also Rio Grande City. And remember earlier we showed you the humidity is high enough that it already feels over 100 with the humidity factored in when you factor in the heat index, which is calculated for how hot it feels with the humidity if you're in the shade. Football weather too. We have, I think I saw maybe like 4 games this evening, about that many, give or take a little bit. Temperatures in the 80s in the evening hours. Kickoff time and ending up the game should be dry weather across all of the football games this evening and tonight. Future Track doesn't show much rain, shows a little shower here and there in spots, but you see almost nothing forecast this afternoon, and then dry weather this evening. By tomorrow morning, still some clouds scattered around. I think we'll see a partly sunny day. We'll say mainly dry, maybe about a 10% chance for rain, but you see the sea breeze probably not as active tomorrow because, like I said, the air may be a little more stable and not allowing the air to rise to build up those showers. That could change more on Saturday. Things look more unstable. There's more moisture coming in, and you see Future Track by early afternoon starts to blow up some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms and increase the rain later in the afternoon and evening. So a pretty good chance for rain on Saturday. Probably not rain all day, but from about noon through the, say, maybe 8 or 9 p.m. time frame, a pretty good chance it could rain. Maybe even some showers still, a few of them left over at times on Saturday night and then going into Sunday. But again, the next day or so, not much rain. You see Future Track shows almost nothing this afternoon, evening, and even on Friday it shows barely anything. So I think Friday may be a dry day nearly everywhere. But after that, we start to add up the rain totals on Saturday. This model run ends Saturday evening, but you see some places in there already with at least a half an inch of rain. So it could rain kind of hard on Saturday in spots when it does. First 1-5-7-day forecast. Fall arrives Saturday, but not the fall-like temperatures. Highs around 94 today, 95 tomorrow, 93 on Saturday. But if you do get some rain, that could cool temperatures back into the 80s in the afternoon. Sunday, probably still at least a 50% chance for rain and highs near 90. Then after that, we see maybe about a 20% chance for rain or so early next week, but temperatures stay in the low 90s for the first few days of fall. We'll keep tracking the rain chances headed your way in your First 1-5 forecast. Dina?